Sometimes when I'm interviewing family law attorneys with 2 to 3 years experience, I get a question about what does it mean that we've designed our associate attorney job descriptions to allow AFL to serve as their professional home to build their careers and reputations. Um, as an attorney with 21 years experience just doing family law, I, I've done all the normal trainings. I've done some special trainings around negotiations, traveled for some national trainings. Like, I'm really comfortable as a family law attorney. And I'm really excited about sharing a bunch of the stuff that I've learned. But also, in undergrad, I studied economics. I studied at St. Mary's for a master's in management. I'm very much a business person that happens to have a law degree and spent 2 decades doing family law. But knowing what to do in regards to running a well-run law firm, as opposed to just an attorney that started a practice and fumbling my way through it. And so with that, then that comes into my sort of inherent compassion that I know if I want to be successful, if I want to help 200 clients a year, if I want to meet my goals and do what I want to do, I can't do any of that without a bunch of other people. I couldn't help 200 clients a year, not well. It'd be horrible. But with a staff of a dozen or more that we could turn around and really do some great work for 200 clients. And so I've recognized that if I'm going to be happy, the only way I'm going to be happy is if my staff is happy and their needs are taken care of so that they can focus on helping clients. And with that, then there's this alignment of rowing all in the same direction. And with that, then is, a rising tide floats all boats. So I specifically want to make sure that our associate attorneys are getting more than just a paycheck and a load of cases to work, but rather that they've got satisfaction in the work that we do, that we're selective with our clients, that we are taking time out of every week to make sure that they're getting better, they're stronger, that I'm readily available for questions that they have, both business hours, after hours, that we have a ton of internal resources to make sure that they're always putting their best foot forward as a lawyer, that we're sending them to trainings, we're putting in other time just to make sure that they're better and better attorneys, that they're happy, I'm happy. And so with that in mind, and then the same goes for the rest of the staff, so that we don't have a lot of interpersonal clashes or drama or any sort of classism between the attorneys and non-attorneys. It's very cohesive, and that makes, again, for a greater focus. The last bit with the associate attorney role is you went to law school to be attorneys, to practice law. You didn't go to law school to order office supplies. You can go to law school to learn how to do small claims court collections. You didn't go to law school to do networking and sales. You certainly did it for filing. We've set this up so the lawyers just get to do the lawyering. Just all the stuff that you dreamed about in applying for law school. So that's one of the greatest things. So to be paid well in a healthy organization, doing what you want to do, that's the circumstance I want for our associate attorneys. If any of this interests you, first off, check out the website. You start seeing the difference there. 2, make application. The link below. We'll start interviewing. 3, start feeling good about pursuing the career that you know that you want and finding that next that professional home that you want, and avoiding a mismanaged career that you despair that nobody wants to be 5 or 10 years in, and thinking they'd be in a very different spot. Look forward to your application.